Hello everybody, what's going on? Few big updates are coming from NIOs, and in this yesterday commentary, CEO confirmed that they will launch three new models in 2026. First the ES7, then the ES9 and the Onvo L80. The ES7 is a powerful luxury midsize SUV that has been a strong performer in its segment, but the big news is the ES9 and the Onvo L80. The ES9 is aimed squarely at the top tier large luxury SUV segment. Think vehicles north of 80,000 US dollars. This is a high margin segment where NIO can truly cement its premium brand status. And this L80 is their mass market budget friendly play. This true brand strategy, NIO for premium and Onvo for volume, is a classic playbook designed to capture maximum market share and scale production efficiently. Li Bin is executing a tough methodical approach, as he put it, focusing on strengthening the foundation before the aggressive expansion. Now let's get to the most important point for any investor: profitability. For too long, NIO was a story of growth at any cost. That fundamental is changing. The CEO had made it crystal clear. The company is aiming to achieve quarterly profitability by fourth quarter 2025 and full year profitability in 2026. This isn't just a vague goal, it's an operational mandate. We are seeing intense focus internally on operational efficiency, supply chain management, and cost reduction. The new models are the key here. By launching the high margin ES9, the high volume ES8, they are setting up a financial structure designed to scale revenue without inflating cost proportionally. This is the pathway to finally realize the financial potential of their massive investment in R&D and infrastructure. And here's where NIO truly separates itself from competitors like Tesla and traditional automakers. While rivals are scrambling to build charging networks, NIO has its proprietary battery swap stations. This patent system gives the company a unique advantage in convenient battery health management and flexibility to offer its popular BAS subscription model. This subscription revenue is a recurring high margin stream that most other car companies simply don't have. Li Bin stated that NIO can win the final round of NAV market by patiently developing its strength and turning the tide when facing adversity. That strength is their superior technological stake and their unshakable focus on user experience. Question here is that what does all this mean for the stock? Well, the market has priced in the risk, the intense competition, and the past struggles with profitability, but it is not fully pricing in the three critical catalysts now in motion. First, high margin and high value product launches. Second, a clear path, actionable path to profitability. The stock's current valuation trading at medium analyst around 7.5 to 8.50 suggests the potential for significant upside as the strategy moves mature. NIO is not just surviving, it is methodically building a fortress with a differentiated product portfolio and a unique defensible technology edge. Once these vehicles will be launched, then definitely we will see a big increase in NIO's overall delivery numbers. And because of that, their margins will improve a lot. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one. Hello everybody, what's going on? So if you remember, back in March, NIO launched this high-end sedan with a starting price of around RMB 800,000. I'm talking about the 89. That's double the price of a well-regarded ES8. It's not a mass market car, and that's precisely the point. Technology is next level. The active suspension, the shear-by-wire system, and the anti-collision beam, it all showcases NIO's absolute best engineering. And what are we seeing in China? Executive CEOs and high net worth individuals are choosing this vehicle. It's a huge vote of confidence in NIO's quality, comfort, and high tech credibility. This is NIO showing the world what it is truly capable of. Now let's talk about the October sales ranking for the ultra-large sedans over 500,000 RMB. The 89 took the third spot. At number 1 is Maxtro A800 with 1,970 units. At number 2, U7, 197 units. And at number 3 is the 89 with 127 units. But this is crucial detail that the headline miss. The Maxtro A800 and the U7 are selling hybrid cars along with pure EVs. Many of their sales are likely hybrid, which the market still favors due to the infrastructure concerns. When you isolate for pure electric vehicle, the 89 is actually performing incredibly well in its segment, outperforming the competition in pure luxury space. This is huge as it shows China is transitioning and the people are becoming more comfortable committing to full EV platform and they are choosing NIO. So the big question here is that why does this matter to the investors like us? Because the 89 is a brand builder and a technological flagship. We already know that the true sales volume and the massive revenue drivers are coming from the ES8 and the new Onvo L90. These are the cards that will truly move the needle. The 89 is the luxury halo that elevates the entire brand, making customers feel great about buying the more mass market vehicles. And in the end, if we will look at its fundamentals, they are also strong. The technology is leading and the brand is building credibly at the highest end of the market. The outlook for NIO remain incredibly strong. Blue sky is coming and long term will win. Keep your eyes on the horizon. Keep preserving through the headwinds, and you will most definitely be rewarded. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you next one. So, in this update, we are looking at a piece of news that doesn't mention NEO directly, but is perhaps one of the most bullish signal for the stock we have seen recently. I'm talking about the maturation of other side of auto market, the used car business. The news is simple. China's leading used car retailer UXIN just announced a massive strategic partnership with Tianjin authorities to develop a huge new used car superstore. This isn't just another car lot. We are talking about a facility that integrates large-scale reconditioning, getting cars certified and ready with a one-stop retail experience, capable of displaying over 3,000 vehicles for sales. And strategically, it's located in Tianjin, a key logistical hub. NIO is a premium brand. Their whole model is built on an ecosystem of quality and service. This new infrastructure development validate and supercharge three core parts of NIO's strategy. First, resale value. NIO owners, especially those using the battery as a service, rely on storage residual values. When the market moves from fragmented individual seller to massive professional reconsidering center like this one, it creates transparency and liquidity, which makes buying a new NIO more appealing. Second, upgrade cycle. A modern used car market makes it easier for current NIO owners to quickly and seamlessly trade in their existing car for the latest model. Whether they are upgrading to an 89 or moving into the new Onvo L60, this keeps the customer in the NIO family and drives new sales volume. And third, brand credibility. High-end cars need high-end aftermarket. This Yuxin initiative signals a huge leap forward in the professionalization of the entire Chinese auto sector, clearing the way for premium brands like NIO to truly thrive. We know the stock has faced volatility, but long-term thesis rests on the maturing of Chinese EV ecosystem. And this news is concrete proof that the maturation is happening. Every piece of infrastructure that professionalizes the market, every step that builds customer trust is a step that will benefit NIO. And in the end, like I always say, the blue sky is ahead. We continue to hold strong because the long term foundation for NIO dominance is being poured right now. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you next one.